sound of my crew. Fresh, brand new. Thought you didn't see the way that people under wonder. Come on, I'm under making it. I could be like spitting tongue, twisted. It's true. I'm a deep, dark star, but let me say so far. I'm walking down the alleyway. We got light, we haze, we know we fade. Yeah, we got vapor, we pray. We like it days, we like it days and can say we make way for the new day. Here it comes, the future come and run. Don't you see me, let me be the one. We got the hum and the hoo-hoo. If you didn't like the whistle, let me tell you, I'ma kick it back and break the stack, the track, and rock my mic so fat that everybody will think that I'm black. But I'm every color, yet I'm not I'm colorblind, like to let me explain. Creeping your crime in the sky, yeah, let me say, inside your mind. I mean, I spray with the hiss in my drip of the crayon dry. Like, I know I ain't on that right road. Yeah, the sugar pill game too. Like a crow, whoa, 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 that's right, we flying low. Now vultures, no, we don't prey like a shark. You know we ain't a predator, I see good and dark. But yet my eyes are close together like I disguise the why. Weirdest hypnotize and secret voice surprise inside. After this one before you know. Really roll the wonder, got much more honey, more than what you want. That damn farmer got the star, better stop. I mean $20 on the down table done. Microsoft was super scary, now who put the what? Let me give you God. I'm the one who let the dogs out, woo woo. I'm the one who let the dogs out, yeah, yeah. You never can know who let the dogs out. I'm gonna take it super slow. I hope you get the night. No, let me do this, it's such a game. About to do what? You know I missed. In a supersonic kiss for JJ Fast and that ass. Let me do this, I'm super stab. Yeah, I do that bad. I'm like super scab. Yeah, I get coagulated on my daughter. My mama home and she let me do this when it's harder on the way. We got to stop, stick, which don't know this, don't like that dad. But the plastic grinder, vinyl stack, 32 story, World War, 33 and 3rd, it's so absurd. Yeah, and if you didn't know, cut this piece of plastic in half, yeah, I'll do that. One with a t-shirt, what you know, two for the reason that we got a show, three for the record down to the bone. I be rocking on the microphone. I got a flip and plastic, I got a plastic stack and lack of all that. Now whoa, rerun. Now what's been happening? I'm like this, I'm saying drop up all your guns and buy all your record LPs like a half rap, like give me these. I'm about to choose, sneeze you, get up way, demorality. Who's on the bus? Doesn't get on the way. Now let me do this, because I use this well, if you didn't know. I got like that good in the back, big cheese, and I got them off to the stack. No, I'm a spot where it's around that. Evil the one, he like to call the dog, go into the cat that day. My fingers stretch to play away. I'm not nobody, but nobody, hey, hey. Don't be calling me lies. No smoothie to the mic. Don't call me nicotine, but no. That bird's so telling me, fuck you, yo. Call me be alive. But yeah, that's been like since 1980, I can remember I'm a prince. I pop, please, for my microphone, so please. I got a picture of me and my ID for Mickey Fresh and Beach, nor I ocean sails, beach, campaign, please, move space. Need around, throw more down.